Welcome to Assignment Overview 3.07, Tangents to Circles, Part 1. In this assignment, you may have questions like this. In circle A, secant EC and tangent BC intersect at point C. The measure of arc EB is 166 degrees. The measure of arc BD is 80 degrees. What is the measure of angle BCD? In order to find this, we're going to subtract the big arc from the little arc and then divide by 2. So we would do 166 subtract 80 divided by 2. And that would give us the angle measure for BCD. Your question could also look like this. AB is a radius. CD is tangent to circle A at point B. AB is 7 and EC is 18. What is BC? So the first thing that we know, AB is the radius and AB equals 7. Therefore, AE is also the radius and AE equals 7. EC equals 18. And BC is a leg. So that means that 7 squared plus BC squared is equal to 7 plus 18 squared. So 7 plus 18 is 25. And in order to find this, we're going to go ahead and subtract 25. Let's subtract 7 squared from both sides. So we would get BC squared is equal to 25 squared minus 7 squared. Now we can go ahead and square both of these. So 25 squared is 625, and 7 squared is 49. $625 minus 49 is 576. And in order to find what BC squared is, which this is BC squared, what BC is, we have to find the square root of 576. So the square root of 576 is 24, and BC is equal to 24. Your next question could look like this. QX is tangent to circle R at point Q. QX is tangent to circle R at point Q. That tells us that at point Q we have a 90-degree angle. What is the measure of angle RXQ? So if we connect the dots R, X, Q, or connect the points, we see that we're looking for this angle. Well, the really cool thing about triangles is that all of these angles add up to 180. So that means 56 plus 90 plus X is equal to 180. So go ahead and add 56 plus 90 and then subtract that from 180 and you will find the value. Whoops, that was a weird 8. You will find the value of X. Finally, you could have a question that looks like this. Here is circle Q. What is the measure of angle RQP? And is PR tangent to circle Q? Yes or no? So, yes, PR is tangent because we know that P is a 90-degree angle. They've notated that here. Therefore, we can say 24 plus 90 plus Q is equal to 180. We can add 24 plus 90, subtract it from 180, and we will find the value of X. Please let me know if you have any questions on this assignment.